Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. And today we are building a second project in HTML. Using HTML, uh, we are we are building a simple gym website, static website. Okay, so this is our agenda, today's agenda. So start with our Visual Studio. Uh, okay, great. So in previous project in previous video, I have created a first project using HTML only. So in previous project, I will I have explain you how to create a static simple web page. Right? In previous video, we have created we had created a personal bio page, right? So in this video, we are going to build l- a gym website, right? It's a kind of gym website, or we can say that gym web page, but it is a static web page, okay? And we are going to make this project using only HTML, not using CSS. We are not going to use JavaScript. Okay, we are just using HTML. Okay, so I'm giving you a brief idea about in Gene website. We are using headings, and we're going to use image Gene image, and then finally we are using a form input tag there uh, to take a user input. Okay, the gym member, right? We need to collect the data of that gym member, so we need the input. So we are using this HTML tags, simple HTML tag to build gym website, right? Okay, so start with creating our second project, that is a gym website site. Okay, .html. Great. Okay, so we have successfully created our HTML file, gym website.html. Great. So the template we have used. Okay. So, so our gene name is lift up gene. Okay, the name of our gene is lift up. So that's what I mentioned in title, lift up gene. Okay, great. Simultaneously, I will show you the output. So for that, I will run the live server. Uh, Till we have just write a title, so you can see here title of our web page. Okay, in title bar, you can see here lift up gene page. Okay, great. So, okay, great. So now I'm going to create a website. So first, uh, we need a gene name, right? So uh, we use heading for that. Okay, so we use h1 for creating. So the name of our gene is lift up, right? Lift up, lift up gene, right? So this is the heading of our gene. Okay, great. Okay, lift up gene. Okay, then we have to add an image to our gene page, right? Gene website page. So we need to add image, gene image. So use image tag there, image, and we are going to search for image. So gene image, images. Uh, okay, uh, we can use this image. Can we use this image? Yes, we can. Or can we find another image, image? Okay, we can use this image. Okay, great. So go copy the image address. Where is the image address? Are you able to see the image address? Okay, no. Okay, great, Manisha. Can we see the image address? Copy the image address. Okay, great. Now copy. Okay, great. So now we are adding gym image to our website. Okay, are you able to see the gym image? No, right? Because it's a very huge image. So we are going to assign some height. So height is, mm, we can say that height is 100%. No, not 100%. We can mention height is a 700 pixel. How much it is? 700 pixel. You can say right. 700 pixel and width is uh, width. You can say width is 100%. Okay, 100%. So how it is visible? You can see right the output of our image, right? We have first using the heading for our gym name, for a heading, for a header of our web page we use here, and then we use gym image, right? Correct. Then we have give the description, right, for gene description. So we use a paragraph there, and I have already write some good description for our gene. So I'm just copy from Notepad and paste it here. Okay. So at you can mention lift at lift up gene, we help you stay strong, healthy, and motivated. Join us to begin your fitness journey today, right? So that's a good description for our web page. Okay, you can see here, right? This is the good description for our web page. Okay. 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 So now alternate we mention lift up gym. Great. Okay. So you can see the output like this. Yeah. Till here we have created this much. Okay. Now, now, okay. So this all came under a header part. So we can say that it's come under a header of our page. We are using here semantic elements. So just easy to understand. Okay, great. So this is our header part. Okay. Now the second section, we use a section for the second part of our website. Okay. So our, we are creating a gym website, right? So now we are want to get a user input, right? The we are need to collect the user information. So for that we use a form tag here, right? So before that we have created h2 here, and we can say that join us now. Okay, now we are going to create a form tag inside here. Form tag, you can see here, right? Okay, great. So inside a form tag, first uh, we are taking an input, user name, user age, user personal information, right? We want to take some information from user, what kind of plan he want to, or he or she want to take, right? So we are just collecting the user information here. For that reason, we use form here, okay? Form type here. Okay, so first we have creating a username, full name, okay? Great. Okay. Then input is input. We are using input text. Or just type your input text. Okay. Great. Name is full name. Full, full name. ID also same. Okay. So you can see here one input box is here, right? We can use a placeholder here. Enter, enter your name, enter your. Okay. So we use a placeholder. Great. Then we have used another input field for getting user age, right? So for that we use a label, second label here, age, age, sorry, age. Okay. Then take input, but here we have take input as a number, right? Because age is in number, right? So we use input type is equal to number. Okay, great. And age, and here is also age. Okay, so the second box, and simply we can use for br tag for breaking the element. Okay, great. So you can see name, age, or we can simply write like this: name, okay, and then second age, age. Okay, so uh, it's very visible, right? And very readable. Great. Then third one is we use a fitness goal. What is your fitness goal, right? For that also we need one input field. So we use label input. Oh, sorry, label goal. You can say that, or fitness goal. Fitness, fitness goal. Okay, great. Fitness goal. Okay, what is the fitness goal? Then we need a one input text there, input text fitness goal using same name. We can use here. Okay, great. Till here we have created, right? Like the name. Oh, we are missing here placeholder. Okay, so use placeholder here. Enter your age. Okay, then placeholder. Enter your Please enter. You can say that. Please enter your goal. Yep, great. Okay. Then again we need to take a email address. For that also we need label and input. Okay. So use label email. Okay. And then we take a input, but here input type is email because we are taking a user email, right? Email. So we need email input type. Okay, so same name we use email and ID. And we can see we are using BR for breaking, and now we are using a placeholder. Right, enter your email. That's right. Such a good web page we are creating using only HTML. Great. And the last input we are taking a mobile number, phone number from user. So uh, user label, and phone number. You can see that, and in here also we mention phone number. Okay. Great. Now we have take a input as a telephone number. Okay. We are using tel there, and same as a phone number and phone. So we are okay. We are using placeholder here also. Enter your uh, telephone number, tel number, mention. Great. You can see that. Okay. One more thing. After our description, suppose if you want a horizontal line which can break your description and your input field, form field, so you use HR there. Okay. Suppose like here you use HR tag, so it will break your picture like this. Now it's very beautiful and readable. Great. Okay, so we have successfully created our second section, and now we are creating one button. Okay, so we are going to create one button. So button equal to we are using a submit button here. Okay, so submit. You can see the button, right? Submit here. You can use BR, one more BR, one BR. Okay. So the last section of our website is footer. We need to add one footer. Okay. Uh, uh, please here understand. Okay. Every website we have created, right? Every website have a header, then a main section, side section, and footer. These things are mandatory to create any web page. Great. So the last we have created a footer, but before creating a footer, we are going to create a one plan, right? User can select a plan according to their choice. Okay. So for that, we are going to create. Okay, we are going to create one plan. So label there again. Before label, we use a br there. Now we use a label. In label, we use plan, and here we have mentioned select. Oh, not the select tag. Yeah, right here. Your select your plan. We can simply say that select your plan. Okay, great. And select is to okay, great. Now we want to create a plan. We have a three plan. Okay, in our gene we have three plan, and user can select any one plan according to their budget and their according to them. Okay, so how can we create? So first we are going to use a selected tag here. Okay, select tag. Okay, so for select tag we have mentioned id as a plan. Okay, use plan. Here also we have used plan. Okay, great. Okay, so there is a no need of, I think, label, right? So I will going to comment label, and simply here also I have mentioned, right? No, no, no. We are needed. Okay, good. Okay, great. So by default we can right here choose any one plan. So if you click here, you can see nothing. Okay, great. Okay, so suppose if you want to create multiple plans, so you use option tag inside your select. Okay, suppose like this option tag you need to use. Okay, first option is you use like okay, I have already saved the plans, right? So basic. So the first plan is a basic. Okay, you can say that basic. So here you can write basic, and here you can mention that this. Okay, and just save. So you are going to see, right? Basic plan. Okay. So before creating, we are going to default. Okay, choose one plan. Or choose one, any one plan, any one plan. Okay, great. So by default, this text are visible to user. Then user can click here and choose the plan according to their need. Okay, great. So we have created a first plan. Then we are going to create our second plan, basic. Then second is our second one is a standard. Okay, so standard, and so in value section we have mentioned standard. Okay, great. And the last one is option. So the last one is premium, right? So copy this text. Great. Okay. So premium. Great. So till we have created a nice form, it will help to take a user input. Uh, okay, like name, age, fitness goal, the email address of user, phone number of user, and which plan user want to select. Like this. If user want to select basic, click on basic. User want to select standard, we can choose a standard. Premium, right? Like this. And after completing filling this form, user can click on submit button and submit the form details. Okay, great. So, so the last part of our project is footer, right? I have already explained every website there are some systematic manner, like every website have a header, like right, header, then we have a main sections. Inside a main section, some website use a site, some website use articles tag there, and then finally at the bottom of the website, every website at the bottom we use footer, at very top of the website we use header. So that's a simple template format of our website, any website. Okay, and we can say that. Great. So last we use footer. Okay, so in footer we can say that the rate copy. Okay, and the rate copy and 2025 gene name. Our gene name is lift up, right? So lift up, sorry, lift up all rights, all or reserve. Okay, great. You can see the all the internet rights are reserved. Okay, so this is our simple footer of our website. And we can use one HR to divide our section and footer. Great. So we have successfully created our second project, gym website, static gym website. I will show you the output. Okay. Okay. This is our gym website. Name of our gene is a lift up gene, and this is the image of our website, our gene. Okay, and then user came here and put some information about him or her, and then just submit and the footer of our gene. Okay, great. So this is a static web page for gene site, and this is the code. Okay, this is the code for our website. You can see this is the code. This is we are using header. We are using header lift of gene. Then we use image. Then we use a simple description about our gene. Then we use a form tag to take a user input. Okay, great. And then finally we use footer. So it's a very simple site, and this is our second project. And we are using only HTML to create a such an awesome website. Okay, suppose if we use the CSS now, so it will be very beautiful. Okay, it will make we can make very beautiful to this site using the CSS. But uh, but but today's video, the agenda of today's video, we are just using HTML to create a website, gym website. Okay? So we are successfully created, and I think if you If you find any difficulty, so you can ping me. Okay, so I tried. I try as soon as possible. I try to help you. Okay, and if you are watching my video, so please subscribe to my channel and hit bell icon there. And if you have any doubts, so please comment me. And thank you so much for watching my videos. And thanks a lot. We can close today's session. Okay, and thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much. Bye. Take care.